a very interesting concept about mercy. So in Sanskrit, when we discuss mercy in spiritual circles, we use the word ahoituki kripa, or niropadi kripa. This means there is no cause. In English we say causeless mercy. What does that term mean? Everywhere we say, oh Prabhu, causeless mercy. Causeless mercy. That means this concept, this principle, means there's nothing we can do to get it. There's nothing we can do. Everything in this plane where we're living, this plane of material world, this is the causal plane. Everything is cause and effect. Because it's this side of the causal ocean. This whole place is permeated. Every effect has a cause. Whether you can trace out the cause or not, that depends on our perception, knowledge, experience. But every effect, every result has a cause. But this mercy, Krishna Kripa, Bhagavan Kripa, Vaishnav Kripa, Mahan Kripa is causeless. It's ahoituki. There's nothing we can do to get it.